When you're out on the open road, every ride is an experience, but it's also a moment worth capturing and protecting. The best motorcycle dashcams do more than record your journeys. They provide crucial evidence in case of incidents, enhance your safety, and help you relive every twist and turn with crisp video quality. Today's top models offer features like 4K recording, wide-angle lenses, built-in GPS, loop recording, impact detection, and seamless smartphone connectivity. Whether you're a daily commuter, weekend adventurer, or long-distance tourer, the right dashcam gives you peace of mind and a front-row seat to every ride. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 motorcycle dashcams and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Vantrue F1 Motorcycle 4K Dashcam. The Vantrue F1 Motorcycle 4K Dashcam stands out as one of the best overall motorcycle dashcams for 2026, delivering a premium blend of image quality, durability, and rider-focused functionality tailored specifically for motorcycles, ATVs, and similar vehicles. The system records true 4K, 2160p video from the front camera and crisp 1080p footage from the rear at 30 frames per second, ensuring exceptional clarity that makes it easy to capture license plates, road hazards, and critical details even at high speeds. Equipped with advanced Sony Stavis sensor technology and strong night optimization, the Vantrue F1 performs reliably in low light and nighttime riding conditions, offering clear, well-balanced footage when visibility matters most. Both front and rear cameras feature an ultra-wide 160 degrees field of view, minimizing blind spots and covering multiple lanes of traffic for improved situational awareness and safety. Built for demanding environments, the camera system features a rugged full aluminum housing with IP67 waterproof and dust-proof certification, allowing it to withstand heavy rain, dust, vibration, and extreme riding conditions with confidence. Integrated GPS functionality records speed, routes, elevation, and mileage data, all of which can be reviewed through the Vantrue app or GPS player and exported as PDF files for insurance or accident evidence. The adjustable 3-axis G sensor automatically locks emergency footage during impacts, while seamless loop recording ensures uninterrupted operation with support for microSD cards up to 512 GB. Additional features such as fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, OTA firmware updates, customizable voice alerts, and a wired remote control for instant video locking, photo capture, or voice recording further enhance usability. With straightforward installation and an 18-month warranty, the Vantrue F1 is a dependable, high-end solution for riders who want maximum protection and professional-grade ride recording in one compact system. Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 has firmly established itself as one of the top camera choices for riders who want true 360 degrees immersive recording rather than the limitations of a traditional front-facing dashcam, making it especially appealing to adventure, touring, and daily commute motorcyclists. Equipped with dual 1/2-inch 48MP CMOS sensors, the X3 records highly detailed 5.7K 360 active HDR video, allowing riders to capture everything around them and reframe any angle later in post-production, ensuring no important moment, incident, or scenic highlight is ever missed. This unmatched flexibility makes it equally effective for safety documentation, travel vlogging, and cinematic storytelling. When used in single-lens mode, the camera seamlessly converts into a capable action cam, delivering sharp 4K video at 30 frames per second or an ultra-wide 170 degrees max view at 2.7K, which is ideal for immersive first-person riding perspectives. Insta360's industry-leading flow state stabilization, paired with 360 horizon lock, keeps footage remarkably smooth and perfectly level, even during aggressive riding, bumpy roads, off-road trails, or sudden maneuvers. Built with a rugged waterproof body, the X3 performs reliably in rain, dust, and harsh riding environments, while a wide range of motorcycle-specific mounts and kits, readily available on Amazon, make mounting secure and hassle-free. The large 2.29-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth connectivity, and intuitive interface make on-the-go operation simple, even with gloves. Signature features like the invisible selfie stick unlock the iconic, impossible third-person view, creating clean, drone-like shots without visible mounting hardware. With support for MP4 video, AAC audio, and microSD storage, the Insta360 X3 delivers an outstanding balance of innovation, durability, and creative freedom, making it a consistently top-rated camera for riders who want professional-looking footage with maximum flexibility. Aoocci C6 Pro. The Aoocci C6 Pro is a fast-rising all-in-one motorcycle dashcam and smart riding display built for riders who want modern connectivity, enhanced safety, and everyday convenience in a single, streamlined system. At the heart of the unit is a large 6.25-inch touchscreen featuring an ultra-bright 1000 nit adaptive display that stays perfectly visible in harsh sunlight while automatically dimming at night for comfortable viewing without manual adjustments. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration allow riders to access navigation, music, messages, and hands-free calls directly from their smartphone, helping reduce distractions and keep attention on the road. For recording and security, the C6 Pro is equipped with dual 1080p front and rear cameras, each offering a wide 140-degree field of view and smooth 30 frames per second recording, enhanced by HDR support to deliver clearer footage in low light and nighttime conditions. Built-in GPS enables accurate navigation, route tracking, and journey data logging, while Bluetooth connectivity and dual-band Wi-Fi, including fast 5.0 GHz support, ensure quick pairing, stable connections, and effortless file transfers, even while simultaneously connected to a helmet intercom. Safety features include intelligent loop recording that automatically overwrites old footage and a sensitive G-sensor emergency lock that protects important video files during sudden braking, impacts, or accidents. The integrated tire pressure and temperature monitoring system adds another layer of protection by alerting riders to potential tire issues before they become dangerous. Designed for real-world riding, the Aoocci C6 Pro is IP67 waterproof, energy efficient to safeguard your motorcycle battery, and simple to install using the included 22 to 26 mm handlebar mount. With front and rear cameras, a controller, a pre-installed 64GB TF card, a full accessory kit, a 12-month warranty, and responsive customer support, the Aoocci C6 Pro delivers outstanding value as a complete smart riding and dashcam solution. INNOVV K7 Motorcycle Dashcam. The INNOVV K7 Motorcycle Dashcam is a flagship dual-channel recording system built for riders who demand uncompromising video quality, durability, and advanced safety features in real-world riding conditions. Equipped with true 2K plus 2K recording at 30 frames per second, or 1080p plus 1080p with advanced electronic image stabilization enabled, the K7 produces exceptionally smooth, sharp, and stable footage even on rough terrain, high-speed highways, or vibration-heavy motorcycles. Its front and rear cameras use ultra-wide 160 degrees lenses that dramatically reduce blind spots, capturing up to 3 lanes of traffic and preserving critical details such as license plates, road hazards, and surrounding vehicles. Designed specifically for motorcycle use, the K7 features a rugged full aluminum alloy housing with an IP67 waterproof rating, allowing it to perform flawlessly in rain, dust, fog, and extreme temperatures ranging from -30 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, making it reliable for year-round riding in any climate. For added security, the integrated G-sensor and 24-hour Sentry parking mode automatically detect impacts, suspicious movement, or tampering, instantly locking and saving important footage to prevent overriding. High-speed 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity works with the INNOVV mobile app to provide faster, more stable video previews, downloads, and settings control compared to standard 2.4 GHz systems. The included 10 Hz GPS module accurately records speed and location data, enabling detailed route playback and ride analysis, while the wired remote control allows riders to lock videos, take photos, and monitor GPS or Wi-Fi status without taking their hands off the handlebars. With support for up to 512 GB of storage and a robust motorcycle-specific mounting system, the INNOVV K7 stands out as one of the most complete, professional-grade, and reliable motorcycle dashcams available today. VSYSTO Wi-Fi Motorcycle Dashcam. The VSYSTO Wi-Fi Motorcycle Dashcam, Model D6L, stands out as a highly dependable budget to mid-range option that frequently appears among Amazon bestsellers and is regularly recommended in MCN buying guides for riders seeking reliable video evidence without paying premium prices. Purpose-built for motorcycles, this compact dual-camera system records simultaneous front and rear footage in crisp Full HD 1080p, delivering clear visuals of surrounding traffic, road conditions, and license plates through a wide 130-degree field of view that balances coverage without excessive distortion. Its Starlight night vision technology significantly enhances low-light performance, ensuring usable and detailed footage during night rides, tunnels, or poorly lit urban roads. The system includes a practical wired controller with LED indicators, allowing riders to instantly lock emergency footage with a single button press, an essential feature during accidents, near misses, or sudden road incidents, while the built-in G sensor automatically detects impacts and protects important clips from being overwritten. Flexible loop recording options of 1, 2, 3, or 5 minutes help manage storage efficiently by continuously overwriting older files once the SD card is full, ensuring uninterrupted recording on every ride. Integrated Wi-Fi connectivity works with the Wi-Fi Camera mobile app on both iOS and Android, enabling riders to view live footage, download clips, and share evidence directly from their phone without removing the memory card or using mobile data. With waterproof front and rear cameras designed for year-round riding and a compact main unit that can be discreetly installed under the seat for added security, the VSYSTO D6L earns praise for its durability, straightforward installation, and consistently clear, practical evidence capture, making it a smart, value-driven choice for everyday motorcycle riders who want peace of mind on the road. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.